Hello guys, this is SRINIVAS developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily challenge of 15 June 2021. Here, this is the problem: merge columns fold to the right. As an integer matrix with the R and C column is passed as an input, the program must fold the matrix toward the right starting from the nth column and merge the cell values that are overlapping the column values. Then the program must print the resulting matrix, right? Hope we hope you don't understand anything with this question because I have felt like the same, but finally I have figured something like this is nothing but a water ripple effect. When we throw something in water, we will get some bubble like this, right? Hope you have seen that. This will occur from some certain point and it will grow uh, like that. Here they have used the same method but in a square pattern. Same pattern in a square shape. Like assume this is the n, which is nothing but fourth element 0 1 2 1 2 3 4. So these two will be grouped, not this 30 because it's belong to the 2 6 pattern. 2 6 this column. Since this is a double digit, it shows something like that. So this 4 and 5 will be grouped, 8 and 2 will be grouped, and 40 and 50 will be grouped. For this 30, we don't have any pair on the right side, right? So we just print the left side element in a reverse order, like 3 2 1 6 4 2 and 30 20 10. Here you can able to see that. Likewise, here they have given a value 2 as a n value as 2 somewhat. This is the nth position. So if we make a bubble, assume this is a square, but it seems like L because of this double digit cringe thing. After that, the bubble will grow for like this: left side 1, right side 1. After that also it will grow, but we don't have any pair for this 5 and 9, right? So this will be left like that. This 2 3 3 6 20 30 will be grouped, so we'll give you 5 14 50, and this 1 and 4 4 and 7 10 and 45 will be grouped. After this, right side element will be print as it is. Here they have given a n size 5, which is nothing but, here we don't have any pair here, right? So we just print the nth value as it is and then the left side element in a reverse order. So we will get 5 4 3 2 1 2 8 6 4 2. Likewise, how we are going to do that? Since these things are follow some pattern, we can find that pattern using mathematical formula. Yeah, nothing is going under this block. Here this is going under this. Like this is a R cross C matrix, right? We don't have to worry about the R values or the row values because those things are not changed. We just have to make some operation on column, right? So here I'm going to write the formula, which is nothing but n minus j minus 1. This minus 1 is because we have started from 0th index, right? For the left, pair, and another formula n plus j for the right pair. This pair will have the matching pair at this index, and this pair will have the matching index of this pair, like this index. For example, if we took 1 and 4, it's in 0th and n minus 1th index. If we took this one, this is in 1 and n minus 2th index, which is nothing but n minus 1 minus j. If we took this 0, 1, 2 or just 4th one, it's in n minus 1 at the column minus 1 index. What? N minus 1. Yeah. Let me explain. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you apply the left side formula, n minus j minus 1, here 2 minus 0 minus 1 will give you 1, right? And here the n value is 2 and j value is 1. 2 minus 1 will give you 1 and 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Here n minus j is 2 minus 2 and this will give you minus 1. After this, everything will be in negative. We don't have to worry about that. We just have to consider up to the non-negative index, which is nothing but greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Here this pair will have n plus j. If we apply the formula n plus 0, we got 2, and here n plus 1 will give you 3, and here n plus 2 will give you 4, and here n plus 3 will give you 5. After that, this will cross the column size. We don't have to worry about that. If we take a look, we got the 1 and 2 pair here. 0th index 1 and 2 are matched here, and 0th index and 3rd index are matched here. After that, we just got the 4th, 5. Yeah, this 5 also be left out. 1, 2, 0, 3 and 4. Like if we take a look for this 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you apply the formula, here n value is 5, n minus 0 minus 1 will give you 4, and this is 3, 2, 1 and 0. After that, if we apply this n plus j formula, this is 5 plus 1 is 6, right? Everything will be out of the column, so we don't have to worry about that. We just have to print the index 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 as it is. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's what the required output. If we apply the same formula for this also, we will get the proper output. Like here we are going to implement this formula in a programmatical way. Let's see how we are doing that. First, the input part for row and column, map of in comma input dot split. After that, the list or the matrix. I'll stick with the list equal to list of map of in comma input dot split. This should be occur for r times, which is nothing but the row times, for I in range of r, or else we can simply set for I in r. After that, we should get the n value, right? Int of input. This is a single value, so we just have to print input for I in range of row, and for j in range of column. We have to check for the pair. If the pair is available, we just going to merge that value, or else if the left side is available, we have to print the left side. If the right side is available, we have to print the right side. So we just going to find the left and right. If n minus j minus 1 or n minus 1 minus j less than greater than minus 1, and n plus j smaller than column, print the sum value, list of the current row and the n minus 1 minus j plus current row n plus j element with the end space. Else, if the left side pair only available, we just have to print that value. If n minus 1 minus j greater than or equal to 0 or greater than minus 1, print the current row n minus 1 minus j element with the end space. Else, the right side pair only available, we have to print that. If n plus j smaller than c, which is nothing but column, print the current row n plus jth element with the end space. If none of the pair is available, we don't have to make the iteration, right? So we can break the loop, and finally, if all the column element are printed, we have to print the next row in a new line, right? For that I am specifying this print. So if we run this program for the input this, we will get this name L not defined error, because I have used list instead of L. So I'm going to run this again. Still we are getting the same. This is because I have forgot to change this cell. Now we got the output. We have to check is this a proper one or not. 5 5 5 14 11 line 50 55. Yeah, we got it. So I'm going to check or test for the second input. It should return the whole list in a reverse way. Yeah, it does. Let's check for the final one. um 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Yeah, you're doing great, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.